Hello, my name is Hakon and welcome back to my channel, and just a little update today on the status of my Zoya videos. If you have been watching my Zoya content, you will have noticed that there hasn't really been much of it the last few years. And that is something I've been wanting to rectify. And so I have cleared out all other sound sources from my studio desk, besides the Zoyas, the Classic and the 10K, so that I'm forcing myself to, first of all, go to the Zoyas for making sound. Um, Another thing that's been putting me off a little bit working more on the Zoya is I've been struggling a little bit with documenting patches. It's something I've been wanting to do, making diagrams and just writing down how I was thinking and how to do the patches. And the reason that's been a bit of a slog is because I couldn't find a good software to do it in. I've been using Adobe Illustrator, which works fine and it can look really nice, but it takes a really long time to set things up. But then I realized that I had not looked at perhaps one of the more obvious things, which is PowerPoint. So I tried PowerPoint and I realized that the combination of the way of working and the tools available is so far the easiest software I've used for making diagrams. And so I have started documenting my old patches. I've just done a few to start with, partly to also make my templates for how to do it. And the idea is that I'll gather them all together into an electronic book that will be available on my Patreon at some point, as an open-ended project that I will keep adding to. So everything I've done on the Zoya will eventually be in that book and available for all my patrons of a certain level and above. I'm presuming that probably the £5 and above level is where I will keep it. So that's just a little bit of my current status when it comes to working with the Zoya. I'm going to use the Zoyas more, and I'm at the moment working through all my my old patches, making sure that I remember what I was doing and how I did it, and documenting the ones that weren't documented already, which is most of them. And then that is part of my current project. And also by doing this, I'm also coming up with new ideas and I'm getting inspired to do other things. So I'm making notes also for other patches that I haven't made and that I will make as part of this same organic process of working my way through the old work. So that is what I'm doing at the moment. I think the Zoyas are great as sound sources as well as for effects and other things like controlling things. So that's one of the reasons too that I wanted just to leave the Zoyas on my desk now. Not the same as analog synthesizers that I'm used to working with, but they can sound absolutely amazing all the same, I think. So thanks for watching, and I hope you will, like I do, be looking forward to other Zoya videos, other Zoya content coming up in the future.